Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how we can add subtitles to our YouTube video. So let's go into YouTube. And now we need to sign up for our YouTube channel. So let's go. Here you can sign up for signing onto your YouTube channel. Here we are on YouTube channel right now, so you can see my channel option on the left top. So click onto that. Here you are on your channel. You can see there are some videos and there is an option video manager at the top. Click onto that. And now there is a list of your videos that you have already posted onto your YouTube account. So there are options here, but you are going to click onto edit. Or there is a video opened here. And there is option subtitles and CC at the top. Click onto that. Now they are asking you to set your video language. Whatever language you have spoken in your video, you can choose here as well. For right now, I am choosing Hindi. So let's set language. And now the video is opened and there are two options here. Add new subtitles, purchase new subtitles. You are going to add subtitles here. Click onto this blue icon. And now they're asking you which type of subtitles you want to add. Hindi or English. So we will be adding English subtitles here. So now there is an option, create new subtitles, upload a file, buy subtitles. Now you will click on to create new subtitles. Okay, so now the video is opened and it is playing right now, and there is an option to type your subtitles also. So now here, as the video is playing here, whatever you speak in the video, you need to type into this section where it is written type subtitles here, then press enter. Okay, so we will be doing the same way. We will be typing here. For example, I just said hello friends in the video, and now I'll be typing here hello friends in this section. So it is written hello friends. Now we will be clicking onto this plus sign and it is added here. You can see, you can also drag it forward and backward. Okay, so you can see it comes hello friends written at the bottom of the video. So we have successfully added one subtitle onto our one video. Okay, so we will be proceeding on with this. So we just listen to the next sentence, and whatever we speak there, we need to type that into the subtitle section. Okay, so now I just wrote how to enable or disable monetization on YouTube. So I will type that into this section. Okay, so this is written how to enable or disable monetization. And I just pressed enter and the subtitle came here. I would drag it and set its duration according to the video. Whatever duration it had in the video, I just set up to that. And now we will play it, and whatever we speak in the next sentence, we will again type that into the subtitle section and then press enter, and the same way we'll be doing for all the video. So now I wrote now start the steps. Press enter again, the plus icon and now duration. Set it if it is already correct, then no need to set. Or you can also move it forward and backward. And now we will be doing the same way for all the video. So when this is all done, you can now publish your subtitles. So I press the publish button and this is done. You can see here that the video has come and the subtitles are published here. So let's play this and see if the subtitles come in the video. And one more thing that I want to add here is that you can turn your subtitles on or off. Whoever needs the subtitle, he will turn on subtitles for himself. And if you don't need, you can turn them off. So I just turn them on, and you can look here, the subtitles come. Now start the next step, and however your subtitles are, they will come here. You will be able to see them. So you can turn them off as well. So here is that option, CC, at the right bottom. So if you like this video, please share this with your friends and family. Do like our video, and if you have any question regarding this topic, you can leave us a comment below. We will try our best to help you out in that. So meet you in the next video. Do subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.